Hey everybody, Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks for watching Brent Speed TV. Couple things. Good day today. One, it's Friday. The second reason, my favorite GT350 on the dyno. So here's what's getting ready to happen. Hey, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and notify. If you're already a subscriber, guess what? You know what's getting ready to happen. We're gonna look at the engine compartment. We're gonna make a dyno pull, see what this bad boy makes. So I've Doug with me today. Let's go over and check out the engine compartment. All right, 17 GT350. Man, I love these cars. Such an awesome Mustang. Gen 5 Whipple Supercharger. Doug, come down, let's take a look. I'm gonna tell you everything that's been on this car right here. We have the Gen 5 Whipple, so you get the big throttle body. This is coming in about 10.6 pounds of boost. Intercooled supercharger unit. Billet oil pump gears. All the cooling mods. So we have our big ARH radiator, okay? This is the recipe. Cooler thermostat. Rear cylinder head cooling kit. And we installed a set of ARH long tube headers as well as a custom tune. So we're going to see what this thing's laid down. Like normally when you buy the stage 1 Whipple kit, you're in between that 720 to 750 real horsepower range. The Whipple tune, honestly, out of the box is a pretty good calibration. We have long tubes on, custom tune. Let's go see what it makes. Here we go, DynoJet SAE 797 real horsepower, coming in at 8,400 RPM, torque 557 at 5,300 RPM, and look over here, Doug, that torque stays high all the way across the range. Makes for such an awesome street car. Again, we're running the stock Whipple pulley, 10.6 pounds of boost. I do want to take one more look at this car, and don't forget in that description, I'll put links to every part we talked about right here. But if you got a GT350, the Whipple's the way to go. A GT350 is a car someday I'm going to have in my stable, and it's going to be running the Whipple Supercharger. Let's take one more look over here, Doug. You can email quote@brentspeed.com to say, hey, what's it cost to get my Whipple built? You can check that description. And hey, if you haven't always, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. And I have a lot of GT350 videos, all right? We have done a ton of the GT350 with the Whipple Supercharger. I will put a link over here where you can watch all those videos of all the cool GT350s I made videos on, which isn't all the ones we built, it's just what I have time to do. So again, subscribe and notify. Thanks for watching.